Have you been feeling a plateau in your recent practice sessions? If so, maybe these 3 obscure tips will help you climb out of your rut. Remember, improvement from practice is best fueled by focus and consistency. The best general advice I can give is to genuinely enjoy doing it. If you want to enjoy more, change your identity. Truly believe that you are a pen spinner and insert the beliefs that you love practicing. Now that I've said the most important advice to skyrocket your improvement, let's go on to some of the more obscure tips and tricks for improvement. Tip number 1. Get a pen with a center point and focus like a psychopath. It's scientifically proven that when you squint your eyes and focus your vision, just your vision, like a laser on one pinpoint object, your focus gets better. I was first introduced to this idea by Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist and tenured professor at Stanford School of Medicine. However, when I say focus, I don't necessarily mean on the center point all the time. For sure, the center point is definitely where you want to be focusing when you're doing power tricks, but you don't always want to be focusing on it when doing tech linkages. For wipers, it's a skill of itself to switch focus points quickly and precisely onto the ends of the pen mod and back. For more complex sonic tech linkages, sometimes you can't really focus on the center point, so it's better to focus on the general pen as a whole. But in most cases, especially power and wipers, focus your vision with pinpoint accuracy towards the point that requires the pen mod to spin around. Tip number 2. Genuinely believe you're gonna die if you drop the pen, but still spin with confidence like you don't care if you drop the pen. Now this is really hard to do, and will probably sound confusing to even comprehend. Not caring about dropping and spinning with confidence is key for improvement in execution and confidence. Believing you're gonna die if you drop the pen is important to take your laser-focused, adrenaline-rushed flow state to the next level. But it can have negative effects and works better for power spinning. So you can just take the advice for the first part and see improvement. Only play around with adrenaline rushes mixed with this when you're already familiar with confident spinning. Tip number 3. Spin faster. Obviously, you still need good rotations, that should never be sacrificed. But spinning slightly faster than you're comfortable with will get you used to the increased finger dexterity and precision needed with the increase in speed. When you go back to your normal speed, it will feel like slow motion, and your control will be way better. Now this mostly applies to tech-based linkages and not so much power, though it's still possible for some power. If you think I missed anything, let me know, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.